All right. Welcome back, everybody. Hell yeah, we're playing Bird Week. A real left turn from Tecmo Super Bowl, but here we go. It's time for the main course on our Thanksgiving episode today. This game's incredible. When I was getting in the Famicom stuff, like, part of it is like playing the games that didn't come out in the US, and this is one of the ones that comes up the most. It seems so strange to American audiences. You play as a mama bird, and the goal is to feed your babies. So, what? Okay. It's been a little while. You have to catch these butterflies and take them to your babies. Eat. Why aren't you eating? Eat, baby. There. I think I fed one. There we go. Butterfly. Are you eating? Why are my babies not eating? Something's wrong. Okay. What's happening? My babies. Eat my butterfly, babies. There you go. This game goes on for 999 levels. There you go. I guess maybe I was catching butterflies too quickly and they weren't hungry yet. You see there's the one enemy there. There we go. But it does ramp up in difficulty. So that baby now ascends away. He's left the nest. He's been well fed by his mama bird. There we go. And now we feed this guy. There you go. And he's ready to leave the nest. There's a super cool fan theory that each progressive level, the main character, the bird you are, switches to one of the birds you fed in the last level. See, it's like a different season. So it's like the circle of life. You know, now I'm playing as one of the baby birds from level 1, and I have my own babies to take care of. There you go, buddy. There you go. Which is a theory that I like a lot, because it's almost certainly not what they intended. Oh, these butterflies are tricky. Shit. Oh, God. The controls are a little wonky. I've got a mushroom. Okay. I think you can drop the mushroom on enemies. Shit, gotta get out of my... Oh! Guys! I'm trying to show Bird Week. Don't make it so difficult. Oh, Jesus. Get away from me. Let's try to drop this mushroom. Yeah! You're dead. Can I get your body? No. Okay. I got hungry birds here. Oh, there's another one. Great. I guess that's probably just like a points mechanic. Oh no. Oh no! My baby died. My baby died. Let's try that again. That was real bad. Like I said, I read that this game can go to level 999, at which point you can't beat it. It just plays endlessly until you run out of lives. If someone's actually done that, I'm both in awe and kind of terrified. Don't worry, buddy, I got you. I kind of want to drop this mushroom again. That was really fun. Come here, you Bad man. There we go. It's really, at least that bird enemy is slow and kind of predictable. Shit. There we go. It's that green one in level 2 that I don't like. Yeah, but for some reason in like early Famicom collecting, when you start to get into it, this is one that just always seems to come out. Oh man, God. Oh, that guy. I really want to drop a mushroom on him so bad. Oh, I hate him. I hate him so much. I really need to feed my chicks. Yeah. Felt good. He's back already? What is the point of me killing him? I really need to feed my other chick. Okay, good. Alright, okay. Alright, got another butterfly. This is great. Maybe I'll just loop around. Create some space between me and that little jumper asshole down there. Oop. Okay, just in time for you to be hungry. Eat up. So yeah, maybe using the loop of the stage makes more sense than trying to always stay close to the tree. Which is what I was doing. Oh, shit. Early on. Okay, just in time for you to be hungry. Ascend, my baby. No, not ready yet. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Shit, he's hungry already. I gotta find a butterfly. Come on, guys. Oh, no. Good. Will I get there in time? No. Oh, I'm safe on the branch. Okay. I didn't know that. That's good. There we go. He loves it, man. Good for him. My other baby's already hungry. There we go. Yes. Okay, well, alright. There we go. It looks like it's fall now. Oh boy, we got creatures in the trees. Let's just hang out here where I'm safe. Feed you. Oh, that tree creature moves around, I see. Why did I leave the branch, the safety of the branch? No. I didn't expect to lose so much in this game. Really thought this would be the draw over Tecmo Bowl, but but I learned a little bit. I think we can try this again. There is a score. It is it's from 1986, so it's carrying some arcade baggage and is kind of score based. I think I can beat 6500. I'm gonna set a goal for 10,000. Let's see if I can get over 10,000 in Bird Week. I'll feel pretty good if I do that. Even though that's a pretty pitiful goal. Usually, if I'm playing one of these score games, I'll kind of go off of what the default high score is. Did he just get fed? I guess so. As like the benchmark for a decent play. In this game, it's 30,000. In 2 plays so far, my high score is 6, so I'm adjusting my usual expectations. Don't worry, buddy, I got you. Hold on. I'm a little, you know. Mama Bird's a little tipsy. It's been a long day at the butterfly factory. Come on. There we go. Alright, buddy, I got you. Right here. Oh, and you drop the mushroom when you land on the branch, it looks like. That's a good question. Study game. I'll check it out next. I'll show it next time. If I remember correctly, it's a mode where the computer plays by itself, and I think the idea is that you can study it to get better. Don't hold me to that. We'll check it out next time I lose. But I'm seriously pretty sure that's what it is. Okay, safety of the branch. I thought with the pink leaves that this was spring, but the next level is fall, so maybe this is supposed to be like a summer thing. Get back, get back. Okay. We're doing better this time. I hate that little fucking chipmunk or whatever it is down there. He's really unpredictable. His movements make no sense. Oh shit, ooh, ooh. Look at that. I got you, buddy, I got you. Shit, ooh, ooh. We're doing some stunts here. Like, I got a hungry bird, I gotta get to my butterflies. Shit. I need a butterfly. Ooh. Shit. There we go. Okay. One has left the nest. I'm really proud of you. I'm happy for you. You've always been a good son. There we go. There we go. Through 2 levels, all lives intact. There is improvement. Well, no, I'll stay with you. Using the safety of the branch seemed like a good thing. Man, the orange color really fucks with the sprite a little bit. It's hard to tell when you have a butterfly and when you don't. The color contrast would drive Magic Kerosene nuts. There we go. I guess there's a little sound. That's helpful. Oop, come on. Okay. I don't like this squirrel. Or, this is... Oh, shit. Okay. Shit. Oh, I need to stop messing around. I need to get back to my nest. Shit, I fed the wrong one. He wasn't... Oh! I think that's a flying squirrel. It looks like he's opening up his wing sac there. It's a dangerous game right there. Okay. Leave my baby. There we go. Shit. The maternal instincts really do come out when you're playing this game. You know, I'm just so proud of my birds when they ascend. Man, buddy. So happy for you. Fly to winter. Shit. There we go. Okay, squirrel, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with... Oh! I had a butterfly! A hungry baby. He's gaining on me. This is... God, you guys. This is a 10. Okay, we did it. So proud of you, little Jeffrey. Only a 2,000 bonus there. Oh, bonus round. Hello. What are we doing here? We're just catching all the birds, or... Not doing a good job, I think. Shit. There we go, doing a little better now. Okay, well, how'd we do? Nope, nothing. Okay. We're so close to our goal. So this looks like summer. I'm confused about the seasons now. There's a damn woodpecker. That's not gonna be good. There we go. Great. Just get ready to feed you. There you go. Oh, that woodpecker likes to camp out right next to my babies. That's not cool, dude. There we go. Great. Oh, fast. Oh, he's fast too. Okay, he's fast. Get out of here. There you go. Alright. Great. Can we feed the other one without losing a life? This is it. It all comes down to this. You got it? Yes. Yes. And we just decimated our goal of 10,000. And just like that, it's done. We did it. Alright, let's check out Study Game. Let's see what that is. I'm putting the controller down. Yeah, this is what I thought. Huh? Nope, because he's not moving. What the? Okay, nope, I do. I do have control. What is Study Game? How is this any different? Guys, I would appreciate a quick Google. Just Google what the fuck is Study Game in Bird Week. Just Google what the fuck is going on here. Yes, Pixelfly again. Thanks for coming back. Oh, my baby bird, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you in study mode. You guys have been... Game over. What? Why? Okay, so Study Game appears to be just one level of the regular game, broken out and titled Study Game for a reason that I don't understand. Huh. Okay, let's see, what was my high score? 12,000 something? I'm gonna give this one more go. And then I didn't really have anything on deck. If you guys want to hang out and you have an idea for something that's vaguely Thanksgiving themed, maybe I'll play it. If we just want to do Bird Week and call it a night, that's cool too. So think about it. Let me know if anything comes to mind. I'm going to do one more round of Bird Week. I'm going to try to beat 12,000. That was my high score last time. But this might be it. Alright. See, level 1 now. This is child's play. I didn't even know what I was doing the first time I played this. You can scrub back through this video and how terrible I was at level 1 just 20 minutes ago. Oh, okay, you're fed. What's coming out of the ground there? Maybe there's some weird shit that I'm not picking up on. Some kind of undead bird is definitely just crawling out of the ground. Oh, ascend, my child. You've done such a good job eating all the butterflies that I provide. I can't wait to see you in level 2. You too, buddy. You're a little slower than your brother, but it doesn't make you any worse. I will say the soundtrack leaves something to be desired. Shit. That jumping rodent, whatever the fuck it is. Even through, what did I play, 4 or 5 levels? That's the hardest thing I've come across. It's so irregular, it's so strange. There we go. I've gone with a ignore the mushroom strategy. I guess there probably is a points payout for doing it, but it seemed to be causing me more deaths than was worthwhile. God damn it, you stupid butterflies. I gotta feed my kids. Oh! There we go. I want to feed this one on the left. He's hungrier. Alright. Gimme. Alright. Doing it so far. We're okay. Shit. See, I went for that mushroom and it fucked me up. Thank you for falling so straight, Mr. Butterfly. You have given my son the confidence he needs to leave the nest and build a life of his own in level 3. Her own, I guess. I like the idea that you're a mom. Well, I mean, I guess either way. I keep saying mama bird. It's really cool either way. Wake up, son. There you go. Round 3. It looks like fall, but it's followed by summer. Okay, there you go. I knew one of my large bird sons would be hungry eventually. Oh, how? There's that weird little zombie bird in the ground again. There's some secrets in this game, I can feel it. Don't worry, Mom's coming. Did it? There we go. Speed up, my child. I'm starting to get concerned about my lack of sustenance for my children. There we go. I think you're the hungrier bird, right? Right, bird? But if, oh shit, I fed the wrong one. Oh, right, bird. Don't worry, daddy's coming. This one's a daddy bird. I referred to both my children as sons on the last level, so this one has to be a daddy bird. Oh, where are the... Damn it. Butterflies. There we go. Oh, yes. Ascend, my child. There we go. A little risky, but I'll take it. Yeah, the art for this is really great. Yeah, it's sort of my plan to... I mean, it's hard to say how long we'll be doing this necessarily, but assuming... Shit, come on. Okay. Yeah, it is Bird Week after all in America. Shit. I'm so bad at this part. So it would make sense to do this kind of every Thanksgiving week. Okay, that's good. Also, why is it called Bird Week? It's the seasons are clearly changing at, you know... I don't know. I'm doing much better than last time, actually. You know, the backgrounds are changing at a seasonal pace. This isn't a week later. Like, this is summer now. Certainly... There's that little thing again. Certainly this is more than a week, but... It's just, you know... I'm not... Shit! Oh, woodpecker. They're so fast, you don't see them coming. What's this little mush down here? Oh, this is a different mushroom. Okay. Yeah, fuck you. Woodpecker. That's for last time. It's for pecking on my baby's tree. Daddy bird does not like that. Yeah, I think next year for YumaCon I'm gonna go and cosplay as Daddy Bird from Bird Week. I'm super into that idea. If any of y'all want to go with my little birdlings, and I will feed you butterflies all night. I think that's a reference that people at YumaCon will super get and super be into. Oh god, a week of Garfield. Oh, dude. That is a renowned... Oh, I gotta like pause this just to talk about a week of Garfield. Thanks. A Week of Garfield is sort of like renowned for being like one of the absolute worst games ever made. In Japan, they didn't have the like Nintendo seal of approval thing. They didn't launch with any sort of protection. The NES had a chip that the Famicom didn't, which prevented unlicensed games from playing for the most part. Apologies if this is all like everybody knows this, but there were just a bunch of bad games, and A Week of Garfield is just like borderline unplayable. Didn't come out in the US, obviously didn't make the cut. I've been really tempted to pick it up. It's a little pricey. I think it's like $30 usually, maybe, which isn't that much, but it's kind of a lot to spend on a goof. Like, I'll spend $30 on a good game. On a terrible one, just as a goof, like to play it on here, it's asking a little bit much, but I might do it. I'll probably do it eventually. I'm really curious about it. I know I could fire up a ROM or whatever, but complete in box, yeah. I have no interest in owning a week of Garfield complete in box. That's okay. Whoop. Oh shit! Oh no! This level has woodpeckers and the jumping little shits on the ground. Let's see if I can. Okay, I got him. That feels like something I should be able to get. It's not. I gotta stay off the ground. It's just a mess down there. Well, I beat my score, at least. I have a bad feeling about my baby bird. He looks very hungry, and I've been unable to catch a butterfly. Shit, come on. I'm very scared for his well-being. I gotta get right bird here. Got him. Okay, good. Let's get another one real quick. There we go. Feed left bird. There we go. Right bird's gonna be hungry again soon. A daddy bird stab is never done, you guys. Shit! Oh, woodpecker, you mother. Well, I'm pretty happy with how that went, to be honest. I hadn't played this game in a long time. Was real rusty, and I feel like that was an okay run. I don't know how many hardcore Bird Week players there are out there, but I'm okay with getting a level 5 and getting 15,000. That's cool with me. Okay. Okay, yes. Pixel Polygon, your phone was dead when we explored Study Game. I thought it was. I felt like it was a mode where you watched the computer play and like studied it. That turned out not to be the case at all. Study mode, you fire it up and you play one level, and that's the end. I don't know why that's there. I'm actually gonna look up what that was supposed to be, or like what the point of Study Game is. I'm actually really curious, but it's like the first level, and then when you win, it's game over. I don't get it. Super weird. Okay, yeah, I think we're done. That was a really good Thanksgiving episode. We played some Super Tecmo Bowl. Detroit Lions beat the Eaglets by a couple touchdowns, and then we played Bird Week and did pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with how things went. We'll be back next Tuesday. In the meantime, we're doing shows every night on Detroit Arcade Club on Twitch. Really good ones. Just off the dome. I know Jimmy played last night. I'm not sure if he's doing it tomorrow. Thursday, I guess it's Thanksgiving, so we're probably not doing it. I know that Mr. Eric, our West Coast affiliate, got some new stuff to stream shmups in a really, really serious way. So I recommend checking out Sunday night, especially Pixel Polygon. Thank you for watching. He does Monday night Sega, and I do Tuesdays. And we're basically doing it every night. So check it out. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Famicom Zone on Detroit Arcade Club. Bird Week. It's a gem. It's a good one. Check it out. Thank you guys. I will see you next week, next Tuesday. Goodbye.